I am going to show you how to use ScreenPal. I have downloaded it and I've saved a shortcut onto my desktop. As you can see, I have a lot of gaming apps on my desktop. I run the esports league for North Star. You can ask me about that another time if you like. For now, I'm going to go ahead and double click on ScreenPal and it will open up. I made one screen recording a little earlier today just to try it out. It was a bit awkward, I won't lie. But I'm going to show you how to start a new video. So I'm going to go ahead and hit record. This is what I would do if I was making a presentation. So you can see, I have to allow access. That's my my virus protection that was giving me that. Okay, so there is a record button down here, and to start my recording, I'm going to go with that. First, I'm just going to pull up a presentation to show you how we might make a speech. So I have pulled up my presentation here, and you can set the size for your ScreenPal. So I'm just going to set it so it pays attention to what I have going on there. And then I'm going to hit record. The free recorder will only capture narration. Okay, that's fine. I guess all we'll do is just verbally record what we're doing. So we'll hit record. It gives us a countdown. I'm giving a report on 13 moons on a turtle's back. It is one of my favorite books. This book is illustrated by Thomas Locker and written by Joseph Birdchak. Here is a summary of my book. And now I'm going to pretend that I am done making my recording, and I will hit the pause button on ScreenPal. All right, so now at the bottom, it gives me some options. I'm going to go ahead and edit the video and add some screen captions. So this is what pops up. Oh, that's just a lovely, lovely video. So if we click down here, we have the play button. Countdown. I'm giving a report. It actually does show that it captured my screen as well as my voice. So there are options here where you can make some changes. You can add some music. So it's requesting some music. But let's see what it comes with. Let's go for some children. Have no idea what this is. Oh, I have to upgrade to use that. So it's importing my audio. And let me just see what's at the bottom. Now if I hit play, report on 13 moons on a turtle's back. There is music in the background. Oh, that's just a lovely spot to stop. I apparently make a lot of faces. All right, so let's assume we are done creating our video here and we want to download it. We need to save this project as a file. So we are going to make it a MP4. You can choose any place to store it and the file name. How to use ScreenPal.mp4, and I will go ahead and click publish. So now it's publishing my video, and it comes up with this. I'm going to go ahead and browse my folder, and there it is, how to use ScreenPal, and my video is made. Countdown. I'm giving a report on. And that is how you use ScreenPal. You can send that video in to your teacher just like that.